Good morning, this is Jim doing a video on my own house. Let's see, we go like this. So what we're looking at is a 80,000 BTU two-stage variable speed 80,000 BTU furnace. Nominal measurements of 21 by 29 by 40. We have a condensate pump hiding over in the corner here because the sump hole is not in the closet here. It is a two-pipe system. We have a plenum that is 21 that then banjos out to about 23 by 21 by 30. We have a 12 by 20 return. And then the other thing that we're looking at doing is changing out the hot water tank to a tankless. The current tank is a 40-gallon Kenmore. You see the gas line coming in over here that will need to be replaced. And we'll need to put the PVC pipes, probably going out these two here. I don't think that should be too big of a problem. The tank can either go on this wall or the back wall. I don't really care. So you see the gas line coming in. It's probably 1 inch and then comes down to 1/2 inch. And then you see the line set that goes out. So we have a Cutler hammer box. The AC is on a 30 amp. The furnace is on a 15 amp. So that's not turned aside. Our AC is on a solid pad, concrete pad. You see the disconnect, and you see the line set. And I get a picture of the plate.